This is 4033.
Your tornado.
Turn right heading 220.
Yeah, tornado, mate.
See ya.
Just starting her up.
Back off speed. My landing gear is still showing down, it's annoying me.
It's not showing out down outside.
Oh, good.
05. Roger. Continue VFR at or below 1500 feet. Squawk 2452.
Yeah, Roger, continue VFR out or below 1500 feet. Squawk 2452, Herc 05.
05 identified. QNH 1028.
QNH 1028, thank you.
05.
Yeah, I'm just having some problems again.
You'll see us coming over any second now if you're...
I'm just trying to start this thing up and it's not starting.
8,000 on the...
Oh, here we go.
Leopard 2 on up departure.
Ryanair 411, turn left heading 190.
American 1685, Phoenix departure, radar contact, climb via the SID.
Ryanair 411, turn right heading 220.
Warlord 1,
Overflying
requesting
now,
IFR flight
Sorry, mate.
I'm going over the runway now.
Okay.
As if by
Golf
magic.
Romeo Bravo Hotel 1, request IFR to Lucas.
Right, here we go. What are you guys?
American 1685.
C-17 and...
Air Canada 301, climb flight level 330.
I'm in a C-138.
Cessna 7 Juliet Yankee,
250
descend and maintain 4000.
I can
turn
hear
left
you
heading
now.
080 vectors for the RNAV, runway 22 approach.
Swiss 1 Lima Kilo, descend 4000 until established on the ILS runway 14 approach.
Well, I can hear Sam.
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah, you must be close by to me.
Wow.
Common speed departure, cover 1, request VFR from common speed to Waddington.
Come and do a roller.
American 1685,
You're
contact
a
Albuquerque
C400.
Center on 125.25.
No, I'm in a 130, C-130H.
Oh, sorry, it says C400 Corvallis, whatever that is.
Like, there's somebody in front of me is in one of those.
Oh, yeah.
Cincinnati
Yeah, no,
approach,
it
American
says you're a
1008,
C400
15,000.
Corvallis, and then in brackets next to it, C130. Yeah, you're showing as a bloody piss bomb, mate. Okay. Like an actual piss popper.
American 665, descend and maintain 7,000, altimeter 29907.
Do you know what though? I turned down my aircraft traffic settings earlier.
Yeah.
Austrian 77 Charlie
That's,
Head.
trouble is you end up doing that sometimes.
Flight level 130,
Might turn it back
direct
up
whiskey,
again.
whiskey 375.
Yeah, you end up doing that sometimes, you know, especially if you're on your own, or if I'm doing the sort of round the world
Southwest
flights.
6511, Salt Lake approach. Good afternoon,
Yeah.
Salt Lake
Yeah, forget to
altimeter
put it back
3015. Expect the ILS runway 16 left approach into Salt Lake.
41841, Swiss 1 Lima Kilo.
Back, by the way.
Okay, are you in
you're
at Coningsby?
Fire.
Mauritius 16, climb flight level 230.
Yeah.
Definitely no.
Southwest 6511, descend and maintain 8500, turn left heading
so you
020 vectors for the ILS runway 16 left approach.